The Supreme Court said, kung i-define natin ang pork barrel, it really refers to lump sum, discretionary funds, primarily intended for local projects, utilized through the participation, hindi ginamit ang Supreme Court yung collusion, through the participation of the legislative and executive branches of the Philippine government. Ito po ba ay legal? Ito po ba ay sang-ayon sa konstitusyon? Ang maiksing sagot po, hindi. This is not constitutional. It is absolutely illegal. The pork barrel scheme, as understood, at least in the 2013 Belgica versus Ochoa case. Why? From the moment that the law becomes effective, any provision of the law that empowers the Congress or any of its members to play a role in the implementation or enforcement of the law is unconstitutional. Sa oras na ang batas ay maimplementa na, kahit ano pang probisyon ng batas o kahit anong practice, no? Any practice na nagbibigay ng kapangyarihan sa Kongreso at mga miyembro nito na makialam sa implementasyon, unconstitutional. Hindi po maaari. Bakit po? Meron po tayong tinatawag na separation of powers. Ibig sabihin, ang tatlong sangay ng gobyerno natin, lehislatura, gumagawa ng batas. Ehekutibo, nagpapatupad ng batas. At hudikatura, the ones that interprets laws and as well as makes a final determination in disputes. Yan po ang ating Korte Suprema. So that's the judiciary, that's the framework of the judiciary. Magkakaiba po ang kanilang kapangyarihan. At hindi po pwedeng naghahalo-halo ang kanilang kapangyarihan. Particularly with respect to legislative and executive. Because the legislative branch of our government makes the law. It's not supposed to implement the law.